Welcome to the Life of Hair Reviews. My name's James Atkinson. Thank you for joining me in this week's episode. Now, this week's episode is an episode of a product that is sorely misunderstood, in my humble opinion. It is one of those products that people don't necessarily understand why you need to use it, and they also misuse it in its actual manufacturer's guidelines. So we're going to talk about how to use it, why it's important, and why you might need it. And this product that I am talking about is Olaplex number 3. Olaplex number 3 is the follow-up treatment take home after you've had Olaplex number 1 and 2 in salon. There is also an Olaplex 0 that goes on prior to that, but we'll talk about that in a different episode. This product is absolutely fantastic, but it's got to be used in the right way, and I do think people need to understand why they're using it. Once you've had Olaplex number 1 and number 2 in salon, you will have artificial bonds replaced into the hair. Now, the hair has hydrogen bonds and disulfide bonds, two things that we can't get back into the hair. But what we can get back into the hair are the little bonds that live in this bottle, and the bonds that pretty much all bonders use to get your hair strong again. And they are ionized bonds. But the problem with ionized bonds is that once they've had water and they've been washed a few times and styled and all those kind of things, they start to break down. They're very strong. They're stronger than a disulfide bond and a hydrogen bond, but they will corrode, is probably for want of a better word to say about. The reason that you'd want to use this after you've had those treatments is that it replaces those bonds in between services at the hair salon. So if your hair is particularly damaged and you're having Olaplex, or if you just want to refrain from having any damage done to your hair and you're using Olaplex and you want to keep your hair in the optimum condition in between services, Olaplex number 3 is an absolute must. So it's a highly misunderstood product in my opinion, and bonding services in general always need something to maintain them. Now, there are new bonding services coming out in the market all the time and new ingredients, and obviously I think at some point there will be products out there that may not need the support, but certainly Olaplex number 3 does need the support 1 and 2 service that you've already had. Also, obviously there's the take home 0, but we won't go into that right now. Great product. You apply this before you shampoo. So this is the first thing that goes onto your hair. Apply it to the mid-lengths and ends or the most damaged areas. If your hair's all damaged, then apply it all over. Apply it to your hair, comb it through, leave it on. You rinse it out, you shampoo and you condition. So it's the first step before shampooing. And I know a lot of people think that it's like a treatment conditioner and they put it on after shampooing, but that's not the idea. The idea is it goes on first. So if you're going to use the full Olaplex range, then you would use number 3. You would use leave this on, rinse it off. Number 4, leave that on a couple of minutes, rinse that off, condition, a couple of minutes. Minute job, roughly. Get your hair in absolutely premium condition. Now, Olaplex didn't send me this product, and none of the products that you see on this channel have been sent to me by a manufacturer. No sponsored videos. If manufacturers do send me products, then I will say in the beginning of the video or at some point in the video that it is a manufacturer, but this is not. This has been lent to me by North Lane Hair Co, the salon that I work at, who do have a sales website. So if you want to buy any of the products that are featured in this video, then you can buy them from North Lane Hair Co and support a small business. It's linked down in the description. What I say about this is completely my opinion and not been told to say anything specific about the product at all. I do actually genuinely really like this, and I've seen the benefit of this product used on my clients over a long period of time. So I highly recommend you check it out for sure. This product in a nutshell is an absolute winner in my book. If you want to increase the condition of your hair, we'll do what we always do. We'll jump on the web in just a second. We'll see how much Olaplex number 3 is and where you might be able to buy it from. There is Amazon affiliate links down in the description for these products. So if you want to support the channel, then do go and purchase it through that link. It won't cost you any more money. It'll just give the channel a little bit more of a boost. So we've just jumped onto the internet and we've got Olaplex number 3, 15% off first order with Look Fantastic. So they always jump up. They're like the biggest one in the UK. I think obviously they're actually stateside as well, I think. So if you want to get 15% off, that's happening at the moment. Amazon have got it, as I mentioned, linked in the affiliate links down below. Let's see what we've got here. Beyond Beautiful, £19.50, £19.99, £22 10 pence, Amazon £23.40. Wish, I'm not sure that that would be a place to buy hair products from. So varying prices, 4.6 star reviews. Obviously there'll be some 1-star reviews in there. The first one we see is My Hair Story, which will probably be an essay, so I won't click onto that. I was looking for something to bring back my hair to normal, as I am Asian and got my hair bleached once and dyed 3 times, and my hair ... was knackered, probably goes on to say, and it's obviously helped her out, so I'm sure it would help you guys out. What have we got here? Cult Beauty, they've got it for £26, 445 5-star ratings there. Salon Services, 113 4.8 star ratings, £14 without VAT at Salon Services. And Olaplex, you can buy it for those guys. So yeah, that is £26 from Space NK. And then a few videos on how to use it. Or if you want to support the channel, then click on the affiliate link down in the description. So thank you for watching this episode. I hope you now understand how to use your Olaplex number 3 and why you might need it. It's for those people who want to rebuild the condition of their hair. You apply it prior to shampooing, rinse it out, shampoo and condition, and any other parts of your beauty and hair regime that you may want to do in the interim. I know that some people say to me, James, I'll be in the shower for half an hour at this rate. Well, I appreciate that, you know, but it depends on how you set up your routine. I think you can get the shampoo, the number 3 and the conditioner done in the 6-minute window that probably is a normal length of time to be in the shower. So thanks very much for watching this. If you've enjoyed it, then hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, and chat to me down in the comments. Tell me what your favorite bonding aftercare service is. Till next time, look after yourself.